Having a clear structure and well-organized website is one of the key things you have to do in order for both search engines like Google and your customers to understand your store better and find information quicker. Product categories are here to help us group our products into similar groups, of course, or categories. By categorizing your products, you're making it easier for customers to find a particular group of items or a single item they're interested in. For instance, men clothing is one category. T-shirts is subcategory of men clothing, whereas crew neck is subcategory of t-shirt. That's just one example of clear and well-organized structure. Since every store is different and people watching this video will have different types of products and different types of categories, I would like to recommend you to just pause this video a little bit and map out the store categories and subcategories for your products on a piece of paper. Just try to create a clear structure for your products. If you do not have many products, that's perfectly fine. Just think a little bit bigger and try just to organize everything very neatly. Pause this video for a little bit and take your time. So now that you drafted your product categories, let's add our first category for a specific group of products. Hover over the Products tab and click Categories. The rest of the process is pretty straightforward. You add a category name in the name field, for example, t-shirts here. If for any reason you want to have a different URL or a link to your category than in t-shirt, you can just, for instance, write shirts here in the slug field. Otherwise, just skip it. The link will be created for you automatically. Add category description if you wish, and also add an image. Click and also add an image. So just click Upload Image, choose the image you wish to, and click Add Category. So t-shirt is our main category. Let's add a few more categories here. For instance, if I would now like to add crew neck t-shirts as a subcategory of t-shirts, I would just have to repeat the same process. So I will go to add here crew neck t-shirts, for instance. I would choose the slag, but in this parent category field, I would choose that crew neck category is a child or subcategory of t-shirt category. So basically, if you want to choose a subcategory, just use this drop-down menu. If, however, the category of products you're adding is not the subcategory, for instance, if I'm adding now shoes, which have nothing to do with t-shirts, I will just write here shoes and then choose none from the parent category, add description, and of course upload the thumbnail by clicking Upload Image and click Add Category. It's a pretty straightforward process. Add as many categories and subcategories as you wish. You can add the subcategory to a subcategory, so you can experiment. And I'll now just speed this process a little bit and add a few more categories with images and descriptions. Okay, as you can see now I have here all of the categories that I uploaded, and now let's add the products to these categories. So let's add our first product